Permo Extreme is a tear-resistant membrane designed for complex and low-pitched roofs. It is deemed as being a primary barrier as long as it is covered by the roof finish, such as slates or tiles, for UV protection. It's a simple and easy system to allow profile tiles to go down to a minimum pitch of 12.5 degrees, flat tiles and slates down to 15 degrees, and plain tiles to 22.5 degrees. It's perfect for use on a single-storey extension where the first floor windows govern the pitch of the roof. Fit eaves ventilation products as required depending on whether it's a cold roof or a warm roof. All eaves ventilation products are available from the Klober range for both cold and warm roof construction. The first run of Extreme needs to be laid so that the adhesive strip on the underside can be fixed to the underlay support tray. Then, with each run of Extreme, ensure the underside adhesive strip fixes down to the adhesive strip on the top side of the run below, which creates a headlap of 100 mm. Extreme needs to be laid creating a drape between rafters of a minimum of 10 mm, maximum 15 mm, to allow any moisture to run to the eaves and into the guttering. Before fixing battens, 50 mm Butylon tape needs to be fixed down where nail penetrations are likely. A quick and easy way is to run the Butylon the full length of the rafter. Please ensure that the roof is also ventilated at high level, continuous 5 mm. Extreme is also available in a half roll size, which is aimed at smaller roofing projects. A number of different accessories are available, including tapes and sealant for nail penetrations and to help create airtight and watertight seals. The Permo membrane range offers superior performance to ventilate the roof and help reduce heat loss. So whether you're looking for a low-pitch solution with Permo Extreme, a breathable membrane such as Permo Air, or a membrane with superior strength and a built-in safety grid such as Permo Forte, you can be sure to find the right solution.